my box arrived. I was gonna do a funny opening segment, but it didn't arrive on time, so I just went, alright, fuck it, here it is. So, here's the box itself. I don't know how those guys on the internet do the overhead shots on their unboxing videos. So we're gonna see what's inside. I mean, of course I know what's inside. I ordered this like a while ago. I would have ordered the big Shrek, the ogre-sized box set for this, but I'm too cheap for that, so we have to go with this instead. And of course I can't open this, so there we go. Here it is. There's a lot of packaging. There's the tape. Now we can unwrap this like this. There we go. There we go, like that. One story over 200 storytellers. Here it is. Now if we open up, ooh, I got some cards. A thank you card from 3GI. This, I humbly present to you Shrek Retold, the project that wasn't supposed to work. When I first set out to recruit artists for this project, I was met with a dispiriting wall of skepticism, rejection, and public mockery. So me even warned others not to get involved with a project so impossible. So it is with overwhelming and slightly vindictive joy that I dedicate this retelling to the 235 courageous, motivated, wild, and possibly naive storytellers that made the impossible possible. And thank you for supporting art for art's sake. Because of you, I'm a believer. From Grant Durfin. And then we got some more things like happy birthday stickers. Alright, it's not my birthday, but sure. And then some cool 3GI stickers, like Shrek, the 3GI logo, and Nostalgia Boy. So, here's the tape itself. It's pretty good quality for a VHS tape. I'm so glad I bought a VHS tape in 2020. Well, actually, I bought this like in December of 2020, but it arrived in January of 2021, so I'm not sure really which one to choose, but I do actually have a VCR, so I'm going to go put this in. Let's pop this tape in and see something life-changing. There we go. Oh, cool. That's pretty cool. Oh. I thought my VCR wasn't working at first. I really thought they were trying to make my VCR sound like it wasn't working.
Labor Day weekend. From the dreamers at 3GI Industries comes a world where Shrek is a fest, and I'm the happiest boy in the world, and my world is also yours. Welcome to a commercial for Shrek Fest.
This is a pretty cool tape.
Music,
thank you for.
And Shrek.
If I rate this.
Introducing Grimace from McDonald's. I'm alive! I'm alive! Grimace lives in my mind and tells me stories.
I rate this tape 10 onions out of 10. Thank you for watching my unboxing. Stay tuned next week where I unbox
Exciting experience comes every Labor Day weekend in Madison, Wisconsin.
Casper on VHS.